Hello, my friends. Hello, my friends. It's Romeo the Professor. So I'm on what's called CoinGecko. Okay, that's CoinGecko. And I want to talk to you regarding what's currently happening. So we see Bitcoin right now within the last 24 hours dipped 8%, 8.6%, Ethereum 10%, Binance, BNB 8%. Those are what I call five-star coins. Those three coins I like. They're five-star coins. And as we go down, we see other coins that people like. Dodge 8%, Dot 12%, Uniswap 12%, LT Litecoin 15%. So the market as a whole has taken a beating. It has dropped over 15%. Okay, so now when I look at some specialties, when I say specialties, what I mean by that is let's look at the coins that's on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. The coins that's on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, everybody know I'm in love with Binance, BNB. So we see BNB here, it's 8.6%. We see Cake, that's Pancake, 5% negative. GRT 16% down within the last 24 hours. So, and then 1inch 17. You could buy 1inch on Coinbase. On Coinbase right now, 17.7% down. Okay, so now let's look at the NFT space to see if it's currently happening in NFT space, which it's happening period in all markets. So, and when I look at the non-fungible token, right now, the top of the non-fungible token is Tether. It dropped 15%. Chili's 18%. Engine 15%. Tether, you could buy. Tether is a little hard to get, but if you know how to use Simple Swap, you could buy Tether. Chili's, you could buy it off the Uniswap. And Engine, you could buy it on Crypto.com. Mana, you could buy it on Coinbase and all. Okay, so that's the non-fungible token side of things. So all in all, let me just do the top 100 coins. If we look at the top 100 coins, everything's, we have a red sea. We call it a red sea today. So today is a great opportunity where I look for the dips and I buy. So coins that I like, I'm going to say coins I like. These are in my portfolio. That doesn't mean I'll buy them, but I have to buy something, okay? Because when you have a limited amount of money, you have to buy something. So everybody know I like Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is positioned right for a nice buy. But Ethereum is doing amazing also. BNB, I love BNB. Let me see. Cardano, ADA, I like it. What else? Uniswap, I'm okay with it. VeChain, I like VeChain. That's VET number 14. I like that. Solana, I like it. Tether, love it. THETA. Okay. Aave, love that. Love that lending protocol. AAVE. Pancake Swap, yes, like it too. Crypto.com, number 38. Crypto.com, that's an exchange that I said that you should have and you want to have. And I've been preaching that for a while now. So Crypto.com, also, you want to get that exchange and the debit card, okay? You should get the debit card also. Okay, so when I go, keep going. What else coins I like? I don't see anything. That's in the top 600 people. I'm showing you the top 100. Okay, I like decentralized mana. That's the number 75. I like that. Now I'm on CoinGecko if people don't know. I like mana, number 75. That's a nice NFT play. Nice play. Keep going. What's another? Now, WRX, that's a resurrect token. I do invest in that coin because I do believe that exchange and the coin is positioned well to increase its market cap. So I do have that in my portfolio. I like that also. And so today is a red day. So red day, that's signs for me to buy. I'm not a financial advisor. However, I tell people I do this for entertainment purposes, and I also speak what's on my portfolio. I do like number 98 KCS, and I like number 99 one. I've been talking about one since one was at 3 cents. So I like one. Okay. So now we're going to move to explore, and we're going to talk about news, what's currently going on, okay? So when we look at the news, we talk about what's currently going on. So let's talk about Bitcoin shares of crypto market drops to 51%, okay? So most people, when they see that Bitcoin shares drop to 51%, they think, oh, I think I should sell. I think I should sell. No, 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 no. Do what 20% of people is doing, and don't do what 80% of people is doing. That's the secret of being successful. So when people are selling, I'm waiting for a position, waiting for positions I buy. So right now, I don't buy Bitcoin when it's at the top at 61,000, 65,000. Right now, Bitcoin dropped, I think, about a good 15%. If that's what the number said within the last, since 60, when it hit all-time highs. Right now, it's a good time to buy Bitcoin. So Bitcoin shares, crypto market drops to 51%. It's basically saying Bitcoin market dominance has fallen over the last few months. A few weeks, okay. And the rise of alternative blockchain platforms have led the trend. That is true. So now this article is saying that most coins are down between 10% and 30%, which I showed you. Now, if you have a coin that's in your top 10 that you like buying, that we call, these are the coins that you just stack up for a year. If you see that it's down 25%, that's when you really go in and you double down on it. Okay? So that's what I would do. Now, let's read what they say. Some similar factors are at play here today. The rise of decentralized finance. We know DeFi been doing amazing. Spurred competition between the biggest blockchain platforms that have smart contracts, such as Ethereum, Binance, Smart Chain. Now, everybody know that I'm bullish hard on BNB and Ethereum right now. So those are the smart contracts. Binance is going to be like Amazon, where every business is on Amazon. And Ethereum, think of it as like, if it's just going to be like eBay, where every business want to sell on eBay. So where in order to move or do anything with the crypto space, you're going to have Binance Smart Chain, and you're going to have Ethereum. For instance, if you're using a trust wallet, you're going to need to be able to use Uniswap, decentralized exchange, Sushi Swap. And so you need the Ethereum ERC20 tokens on there. Now, for Binance Smart Chain, if you're going to use Pancake Swap, like 1-inch exchange, you need Ethereum. So I'm bullish on Ethereum on that period. Now, about half of the market share that Bitcoin lost went to other coins in the top 10 by market cap, particularly Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. I believe that. I don't think, some went to XRP. Yes, people are still a little afraid of XRP. I am staying away from it from now. Not that I don't think that it's a top four star coin. It's just I see potential in other coins right now. That's why I left it alone. Okay. Now it says altcoin snapped up the other half of Bitcoin lost market share. Pancake Swap, Cake. Okay, I can understand that. Now, Dogchain coin, which has heavily memed by Tesla CEO LMX on Twitter. Now we know that SafeMoon did a nice rally, and now it did a 58% pullback, which is lost a lot. My SafeMoon alone was at 700,000, and now I believe it's like at 250,000. So I've lost $450,000. Not shares, people. I gained more shares, even though my per dollar amount of the share dropped. So that's why I'm at 250,000. But I'm okay with that, because I said to myself, I'm holding it long term, because SafeMoon only realistically been out maybe a month, tops, a month and a week, if you were to say. So that's the news here. So let's see any other news that we have. Tether gets Coinbase seals of approval, will list on the Pro offering. Tether, or Tether, however you pronounce it, being listed on the Coinbase Pro will be huge. It will push that smart contract also. So let's read about it. Coinbase seems to be signaling that the NASDAQ-listed crypto exchange is not concerned about the stablecoin regulatory issues. The United States' largest cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase, is listing Tether on its professional trading platform. Okay. According to Thursday announcement, Coinbase Pro has enabled USDT deposits ahead of the trading launch scheduled for April 26. Once sufficient supply of USDT is established on the platform trading, that's huge, people. That's huge. Because Coinbase USDT trading on Coinbase Pro is now available for residents in countries including New York, where New York is very hard. Now, United Kingdom, Canada, and Singapore, amazing. So that's a big thing. That's a big thing. Now let's see. Korean crypto advocates. I don't know. We skipped that. USDC vs USDT. Could a flipping be coming soon? Who knows? Bitcoin prices crashed 12%. I already told you about that. So that's no real big news. We just know that there's a pullback in the market. There's always a pullback. Every month and a half, there's always a 25% pullback. So that's just how it is, So other than that, there's no more huge news. I don't see any huge news that's going on. So what do I say? Okay, now if you're not Bitcoin, so there's no other news. Cardano upcoming decentralized exchange. Okay, now that's huge. So let's talk about Cardano. Cardano is what I call a five-star coin also. Okay. So Cardano recently got listed on Coinbase, where you can buy it on Coinbase. So let's read about it, okay? So Cardano upcoming decentralized exchange, decentralized people, a blockchain ecosystem founded by Charles Hoskinson plans on developing its first decentralized exchange dubbed Cardax. The blockchain ecosystem enables parties to leverage their smart contract capabilities to develop decentralized applications, digital tokens, and much more. Not bad. Despite being a third generation blockchain, users lack a venue to list their newly created digital tokens within Cardano ecosystem. As such, a group of developers is pursuing $50,000, which will serve as the funding amount for building Cardax through a fund for proposal. I respect that. So what lies ahead of the project? Cardano Decentralized Exchange plans on adding liquidity to projects establishing their native token on Cardano. That is huge, people, because the extended automatic market maker distributing fee reward accumulated from the DEX to liquidity providers trading on ADA for Cardano native tokens through Yori wallet. Okay. So Cardax via the existing DEX protocols. So, okay, I like that. That's good news for Cardano. So Cardano's in play for a buy position too. And we know the five-star coins. I call them Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance. Those are my top three. Then you have Cardano, and then you have Polkadot. Okay, so those coins, I look at them as acting like stable coins. They're not, but they're stable because they have a large market cap. Okay, so now let's talk about why Bitcoin is moving down. So we know crypto whales moved 321 million in Bitcoin in a single transaction. Here's who's behind the curtain. Okay, so in the past 24 hours, we know Bitcoin whale has moved over 6 billion worth of crypto. Okay, it's one of the largest transfers, period. Okay, now it appeared that most of these large transactions can be tracked back to one wallet at the crypto custody company Exapo. Coinbase bought Exapo's institutional business back in 2019. So we know the original whale sent 6,000 BTC. That's about 321 million from Exapo in one transaction on the blockchain, and it went to another wallet that received more than 306 million Bitcoin in its year of existence. That's the beautiful thing where you can follow a blockchain. So here's a list of those and other large BTC movers from the past day. We have 4,000 BTC moved, selling people, 3,500 BTC, 4,000 BTC, 3,000 BTC. So all in all, that's why you see the price movement is moving like that. But that's the name of the game. If you're a hodler, just continue hodling. Like I said, if you're going to get in this business, you have to have a mindset that you're entering and you're going to keep your head down for a whole year and then raise your head up in a year and see where you're at And I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment purposes. I always have to say that. I do have students. I teach how to become a professional cryptocurrency investor. Do not trade it. I don't like people trading it, so do not trade it. I said investor. Okay, so that's the key. Investor. That's the key. So now, any other news that I see that's interesting for the crypto market? Okay. Mm, I don't see 300 million evaporate from crypto market. No, that's not all. So let's go back to the markets now. So again, the total market within the last 24 hours is at a dip. I said about what's going on. That's top 100. Let me do it. Yeah, it's on a dip. I believe the dip is about 10 to 15% the last 24 hours. So if we look at the last 7 days, Bitcoin dropped 20%. So it's positioned for a particular amazing buy. So a lot of my people say, let's research Safe Moon. So let me put Safe Moon here. They want to know what's going on with Safe Moon. So if we research and we look at what's going on with Safe Moon, so we'll look here. Give me a second. So here's Safe Moon. You see SAFEMON. You see it here. I brought it down. So if we look at a price chart of Safe Moon, okay, the last 24 hours dropped 22%. It's been dropping the last 7 days. It's more than that. It says at 22%. So from all-time high, it dropped 50%, people, from all-time high. So I'll explain how you look at that. So the last 24 hours, it dropped 30%, but 7 days is showing you it has a positive of 370%, okay, in the last 70 days. That's because Safe Moon had ran up to like 1,000%, okay, and now it dropped down. So this is the contract address of Safe Moon. The market cap, they don't know. I believe the market cap right now should be close to like 2 billion. And the 24-hour high, they say 675. 24-hour lows 325. That's about 50% reduced right there also. So now all-time high went up to 5 zeros up in front, 9, and right now I believe it's 5 zeros up front, 4 probably. So since all-time high, it took a 56% dip, meaning drop. That is huge, people. That is huge. However, that's common in the crypto world. I can see that increasing in the next 3 weeks to right around positioning right at, I would say, 5 zeros up front, 0.5 zeros up front, right around 6.5. So I believe it'll be playing with the 24-hour all-time high resistance. It'll be resisting right there, and that resistance will eventually become a support. Okay? So that's the news for today. How I would handle all of this. Right now, the market is red. This is when I would enter the coins that I love because it most likely dropped 15%. So I would enter in it, and then I would still continue to be consistent. If you get a paycheck, every time you get paid, 20% goes in the cryptocurrency market. Every time. And then whenever you see the market drops 15%, then you double down, then you put more money. That's what I do. I'm not a financial advisor. Follow me on YouTube channel, subscribe. If you don't subscribe, subscribe. My channel is called A2Z space investor. That's A alpha, the number 2, Z as in zebra, space investor. Follow me on TikTok also. I am Romeo the Professor. I'm out. Be great and make a lot of money, people. Thank you.